Before you begin, remove the base enclosure. Removal. Disconnect the battery cable from its connector on the system board. Align the edges of the base enclosure with the top cover and place it into position. Apply pressure to the edges of the base enclosure until it snaps into place. Turn over the notebook and open the display panel. Using a non-metallic, flat-bladed tool, carefully separate the edges of the display bezel and hinge cover from the adhesive and retention clips on the display enclosure and remove. Replacement. Place the display bezel into position on the display enclosure. Apply pressure to the edges of the hinge cover and display bezel to snap it into place. Close the display panel and turn the notebook over. Carefully separate the edges of the base enclosure from the top cover and remove. Connect the battery cable into its connector on the system board.